morning, good evening, whenever you see it. Good
afternoon, early morning, whipping in the morning. Bread, beef bacon, waffles, fruit. On my way to make some shit happen, man. Grab and go, get my shop on, getting a couple items, doing a couple things, trying to make things happen. Make something happen, beat the crowd before it get too always on the move. Like to get up early and make loaded up. Good, feeling great. Trying to stay hydrated. Know I gotta get that water in. Fresh fruit. Some butter. Finally got this on sale. I ain't supposed to be spending all this money, but a couple packs. Bring $100 so fast. Butter cover. Good to go. Shit, fucking bad. Butter shit. All day on the west side. Good to go.
Right now. Right now.
Time to work. Getting it in, moving, making something happen, hitting some squats. Starting off with 315, getting light, feeling good, feeling great. Hope you out there feeling great too, getting it in, making something happen. As you can see, getting low. I'm not responsible for the dirty mirrors. Somebody commented on that, let me know. Hey, that ain't my job to keep it clean, but I'm gonna try to keep it clean and hit these weights and watch what I say. Try not to say a bunch of anyways, throwing up 405, it's about to get live. Moving some weight around. Try it out if you can. They say I don't hit legs, but here you go. Check out some other videos as well. Get low with it. Do what you can do. Make something happen. Close grip, wide grip, and get some drop sets in. Anytime I'm working with a bunch of weight, I got a superset. Take a weight off and hit something. As you can see, doing some squats, 10 to 15 reps. Take the plate off, do it again with the other one. Hold it. Think about what you're doing. Know my knees cracking, gotta hydrate. Switch it up to some front squats. Holding it down.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
Stretching it out, feeling good, feeling great, trying to get loose. Hit 4 sets of front squats, changed up the weight, and kept working. Pushing, exploding, moving the weight, feeling great, then switched it up to some deadlifts. Started off stiff leg, did some lightweight, then put some more heavy weight on there. Could probably do about 4 to 5 plates. We're gonna take it easy today. Leg and deadlift some. Stay focused, block out the noise, get rid of distractions, or let it all out. Let your frustrations go. Switching it up to a close grip, you might feel something different in your lower back, depending on what you do. Just try it out. Let me know. Couldn't get away without hitting the bench press. Started off with a light weight just to warm up, get the muscles activated, then start moving some weight. Warming up the shoulder with some lateral raises before I get back on the bench. Superset with 25-pound plate raises. Gonna try to 45 pounds one day. Just trying to move the weight, get stronger, throw a couple more reps in each time. Remember, always warm up. Don't just jump into it. Get a little loose first. Try not to force nothing. Work your way up. Work for it. do the right thing, and with time, you can get it in. Oh, white man down. Switching it up to some tricep extensions. The arms is already warmed up from hitting all the other work. So as you can see, starting off with a lightweight, just squeezing at the bottom, getting activated. Still got energy, so I gotta keep going. Switching up the hand placement. Switching it up, getting no rest, getting straight to a bicep curl. Leaning back a little bit, squeezing the bicep. Short stroking it, then gonna wind up getting some long strokes in. Get a couple sets in, get a couple reps in. Squeeze. Have fun with it. Don't stop. Push yourself. Just don't hurt yourself. Almost at the finish line, switching up to some abs. About to call it a day. Get about 300 reps in. Bang bang. Do what you do. Have fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. New videos on the way. Let's go.
Right now. Right now.
Got plenty funds, got plenty funds, got plenty funds, got plenty funds, got plenty funds. I got friends, you got friends. Let's have some fun. Got plenty funds, got plenty ones, got plenty ones, plenty fun, got plenty fun. Let's have some fun. Got plenty ones. I got fun.
Starting with a vision, grinding, getting it out the mud. No handouts. Just hard work and dedication. Juice season. Watch me get it. Let's go.